Guys, this one feels beautifully crafted with comfort and style working together perfectly. The fabric is incredibly soft and smooth from the very first touch. Its lightweight feel makes it ideal for wearing throughout the day. The delicate sheer finish adds a subtle and elegant charm. Friends, the overall design feels modern, refined, and thoughtfully made. The waistband rests comfortably without feeling tight. It provides a secure fit while allowing complete ease of movement. The breathable material helps maintain freshness for hours. Even during long wear, it remains light and comfortable. The stitching is clean and carefully detailed. Every seam reflects quality craftsmanship. The fabric texture feels silky and pleasant against the skin. Nothing feels rough or distracting. It creates a sleek appearance under a variety of outfits. The fit feels natural and flattering. It adapts smoothly to your shape without feeling restrictive. Comfort and support are balanced exceptionally well. The material quality feels durable and dependable. It maintains its form beautifully after regular use. Friends, that's always a welcome feature in an everyday essential. The minimalist styling gives it a timeless look. It appears elegant without relying on excessive details. The overall finish feels polished and premium. Every aspect contributes to a sophisticated wearing experience. A versatile piece that works wonderfully for daily